Guys, by the way, nothing to do with the snowstorm, but I was watching television last night, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock or so, p.m., and as I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I was watching the weather, and naturally they're talking, not the weather, rather, or the news, and naturally they're still talking about different states where they're legalizing marijuana for recreational use, as naturally as well as medical. But my thought on that is, on either side of the coin, you really have to watch this. We know at this point, I know Connecticut is, I don't know about your states, but at this point they're looking to pass a law to where if you're on any types of medication for anxiety or pain medication that may interfere with your thought pattern, or any type of medication that they deem dangerous for a person to own a gun, which is a very large variety at that point. This marijuana may fall into that jurisdiction. So you guys out there that do tote away once in a while, personally I don't. I never have. I've never done drugs. I don't condemn anybody that does. I don't think it's right, but you know, to each their own, and everybody has a reason for something, I'm sure. But at that point, beware, because if you have a gun and that law's passed, that's just another opening. You know, I wouldn't put it past the government to say, let's legal marijuana, because then we can use it to take the guns away. And you know that the government is sneaky, so you know that this is something that's going to happen. So it's something you should think about. Well, I'm here getting my morning breakfast before I go to the club, so let me go do what I got to do.